Hi everyone, this is Raymond. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'd like to share with you 5 ways to make money online from Vistacreate. Hold on, don't you know what Vistacreate is? Vistacreate is one of the best Canva alternatives out there to create your posts, your videos and so on. So let's go together to Vistacreate to find out how to make money online from Vistacreate in 5 different ways. The first way here in Vistacreate is marketing posts. I said before, Vistacreate is like Canva for creating your promotional posts on social media like on Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and so on, where you can promote your products, talk about your websites, your stores and so on. So the first way to use Vistacreate to make money online is by creating your promotional and marketing posts. Okay, as you see here, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, Pinterest graphic, Square video post, Facebook post, Instagram, LinkedIn and much more, as you see. Okay, and now let's move on to the second way to make money online from Vistacreate is for print on demand business. The best thing here on Vistacreate, what makes it more distinguishable from Canva, is that you can create here your print on demand design and download it with transparent background. Yes, with transparent background. And of course, this amazing feature is limited for pro Canva users on canva.com. okay, but here in the free plan in Vistacreate, you can create your print on demand designs that you can upload in your platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, Spreadshirt and so on with a transparent background. How we can do that? Simply just you can grab your dimensions from here. Okay, let's go back for custom size quickly, and we can insert here 3,000 for height and width. Okay, perfect, and create your design for making our print on demand design. Okay, and for sure here in Vistacreate you can find here a lot of vectors and illustrations and a lot of font styles to make your awesome design. So here you will find an amazing feature as well here on Vistacreate, that you can upload your custom font, your external font, unlike we can do on Canva. Okay, so here you can insert here something like photo text. Okay, here you can fill your text with an image with a pattern or something like that. Okay, perfect. So we can type here anything. Okay, like I love my dogs, for example. Okay, and of course we can go to photos. Perfect, and we can search for something like flame or fire. Perfect, and just we can grab this photo to your text as you see. Okay, and so on and so forth. And as I said before, you can here upload your custom font, and you will find a big library of vectors and illustrations that you can use in your design. Anyway, to download your design here with a transparent background in the free plan, just you can go to this one arrow, download. Okay, and here you will find this option, PNG transparent background. Okay, as you see, that's for free, and just download your design. Okay, as you see. And now let's move on to the third way to make money online from Vistacreate is you can work as a contributor on Vistacreate. Here you can create some templates that other users can use them in their projects. Like you can make templates for Instagram, YouTube thumbnails, Twitter posts, Instagram stories and so on. And here you can apply for this contributor job in this one. As you see, create, contribute and earn. As here you can just click over this one, become a contributor, and as I said before, you can create here templates for other users. Okay, and when you approved every single template you can make, you would get $5. Okay, as you see, create an account, review guidelines, create and submit, and contribute and earn. Okay, so if we go back to my account here. Okay, so for example, if we click over this one, that's after being approved here in this project, Vistacreate contributor, make your templates for other users. So you can go to my projects. Okay, and here you will find all your templates that you can make, and you can submit them as a contributor. So for example, this one, so you can go to these three dots and you will find submit for review. Okay, submit for review as a contributor. But if you're a normal member here or normal user on Vistacreate, you will not find this option, okay, of submission. So the third way to make money online from Vistacreate is being a Vistacreate contributor. And now let's move on to the fourth way to make money online from Vistacreate, is being a digital product seller. What that means? Here on Vistacreate, you can create templates for different posts, like for YouTube thumbnails, for Instagram stories, for Instagram posts, Twitter posts, Pinterest templates, and so on. And you can sell them in social media as a freelancer on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, People Per Hour, Upwork, and so on, as a digital product seller. People always search for these templates like on Etsy, Creative Fabrica, and so on. So how to create these such digital products on Vistacreate? Simply, after creating your template like for Instagram, YouTube thumbnails, and so on, okay, like this one, perfect, just you can download this item in this option, PDF standard, okay, as you see. And therefore, the best format to sell these digital products for Instagram templates, for Pinterest templates, for YouTube thumbnail templates is PSD format. So how to convert or turn this PDF standard into a PSD format? Simply, after downloading this one, okay, just you can visit this awesome website, and here on the home page of Photopea, just you can file, open, and select your PDF standard. As you see here, after opening your PDF standard, you have downloaded from Vistacreate. As you see in Instagram post, you'll find that your post is into many layers, as you see. So it's easy to make any person, edit them easily and smoothly, as you see. So how to download this Instagram post in a PSD format? Just you can go to this one, file, and then you can save as PSD. Therefore, you can sell this format in some platforms like Creative Fabrica, Freepik, Template Monster. You can sell them as a freelancer on freelancing platforms, and so on. The way number 5 to make money online from Vistacreate is you can work as affiliate of Vistacreate. For sure, in Vistacreate here you will find some paid plans, some premium plans, so you can promote Vistacreate on social media, and therefore you can get 20% commission, recurrent commission. Okay, and to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.